All right, guys, today we're driving a 2018 ND Miata. We've got an exhaust, Ohlins dampers, or actually full-on coilovers, a little bit of negative camber up front, some cool cosmetic stuff, TE37s, 225/45 R17 Kumho tires. Let's take this thing for a drive. We've got some wonderful canyon roads. I'm here with Tedward.
Hi, guys.
And we're running an E85 tune on this car, which gives it a ton of healthy, happy torque. A little chilly out this morning, so we're going to watch our wet patches, which could turn to ice. I love a modified ND Miata. I didn't really drive one until recently, and it was just really a mind-changing experience on the car, on the platform. I think in stock form these are a little bit dull, a little bit quiet, but you throw a couple modifications at them and they just wake up and they are so happy. We have what feel like stock brakes on this ND1 here. A little bit lower of a red line in this 2018 car than the 2019's with the revised engine. I mean, this is all you need.
He said it had 67,000 miles on it. The clutch is just starting to feel like that.
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, this is a daily driven car. Feels great on E85. I just love the noise these things make with an exhaust. Ride's great, handles very well over bumps. You can definitely feel the extra sophistication from this Ohlins coilover setup. These cars are tight, so you're kind of limited by if you can fit in them or not. Once you're squeezed in, usually you're in pretty good shape. But it's not like the BRZ where it can accommodate taller drivers. Such a good time though. Oh man.
I just think we all need Miatas. The world would be a happier place if it had more of this in it.
It's really all that's necessary. If I had any complaints about this ND is that the steering feel is pretty non-existent. The slightly taller sidewalls here improve ride quality and add a little bit of buffer zone for these T37s on potholes, but we lose a little bit of responsiveness and directness with the front end. That's okay though, for a daily driver I think that's a worthy sacrifice. This thing is still just a riot to drive in the canyons. It's funny because the Fiat 124 has way better steering than the Miata does, and they're just kind of a retuned rack. It's a different software calibration. a great way to spend the morning. You forget what lightness feels like and what it can do for the driving experience until you get back into a Miata. The car just dances around you. And even though there isn't a lot of steering feel, it's light, it's direct. You feel like you have so much control over where the car is pointed, what it's doing. And what you lack in connection compared to previous generations, you gain in feel through your body and through the chassis. This car just kind of rotates around your hips. It's so much fun. I bought the BRZ because I really needed that practicality, that space, that kind of do-it-all sports car. But now that I have the Civic Type R, I think someday I'll have to get back into a Miata. Not there yet, but one of these days, this is pretty much all I want out of a driver's car. The only discernible wear I can tell with this car is the clutch is getting a little tired.
Yeah, he's got like 25% left if he's lucky. It's just the upshift where you go with like, oh, okay, we need to just match this a little bit without so much power.
Oh, man. But otherwise, for the miles this thing has on it, it feels tight as a drum. Interior's aged well. Feels awesome. Got a little tunnel up here. And even in 42-degree weather, pretty comfortable here as a top-down driving experience. We've got the heat on, my hands are nice and warm because the vents are right here next to the steering wheel. Not a lot of wind intrusion into the cabin. Wonderful.
Don't get better than that, baby.
That's all you want.
That'll do it.
Yeah, the true less is more epitomized in the Miata. All right. What'd you think about this thing?
I'm very happy. Like, you know, there's times when you go out and you see like a group of cars, right? Like, we're in a great group of cars right now. This can fall away and look like, oh, well, it's just the Miata. I'm good. Like, mission accomplished.
I'm happy, yeah.
Man. I'm very happy.
And this is the first car we drove of the day, too. We're gonna drive some more of these cars out here.
Have some giggles, but I'm just saying, like, this thing does work.
Sets the pace,
boy,
sets the tone.
Take a look to the left.
Oh yeah, here we go.
This is the greatest day of my life.
All right, we've got some more cars to film. Stay tuned for the next videos coming up soon. We'll see you guys later. Take care. Check out Tedward's channel, Tedward Drives. Oh yeah, Mazda parking. Cool.